So yeah, first of all we need to remove the back seat of the Dominar. For this I'm putting in the key, and here we can see two bolts, right? We need to remove these two bolts first. We need a 10 mm spanner. So yes. So I'm going to unscrew this bolt. So next I'm going to take the two rings and I'm going to place it here. So next I'm going to take this and I'm going to place exactly here, and I'm going to put the bolts which came from the Lluvia box. For this we need an align key, a 5 mm align key. We can find this from the toolbox of the Dominar. So I'm going to tighten these bolts. So next we need to tighten these bolts. For this you can use a 10 mm spanner, or else you can use this tool which you can purchase from any local shops. It costs around 30 or 50 rupees. So I'm going to use this tool. So that's it guys. So it's fixed perfectly. So if you guys like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel Super Rider. So see you guys in the next video.